Before you start, make sure you smash this subscribe button. Click the bell icon to be notified for every video. We upload 2 times a day. Namaste.
Good morning, my beautiful souls. I'm gonna share you our favorite way to consume nuts and coconut meat, especially old coconut meat, because they are actually super difficult to digest. So what we do is we ferment them with probiotic, and we have been using actually here natural probiotic for yogurt here in Bulgaria, which contains the original best bacteria for making yogurt, which is this here. And what I have here is, I just made that and I'm gonna leave it to ferment throughout the day. It's just a cup of peeled almonds, because they're super rich in vitamin E and probably one of the best nuts to consume. As we are far from the tropics now here in Bulgaria, we are kind of compromising and adding some extra things in our diet. So we have a cup of those, which we soaked last night, and I just rinsed them and I blended them with about a cup of water. And to that I added a can of coconut milk. We are using this one. It's the best one we have found so far here in Bulgaria. It has like 60% of coconut and water. There's nothing else. That's it. Water and coconut. So what I'm gonna do is, you want to put this definitely in a jar, in a glass jar. And you want to leave the lid just slightly open. And since I'm gonna leave it outside, because outside is very hot, so it's the perfect temperature to make yogurt, I'm just gonna cover it with a cloth. I'm gonna let it sit like this for the entire day, and tonight we are going to put it in the fridge, and tomorrow it will be ready to consume. You cannot eat a lot of this. This will probably last us for more than a week between me and Andre. We are just adding this to our salads and the dressing and mixing with other veggies, and it's very tasty. It gives an extra flavor and it gives us those healthy fats that we need. So that is really good for your gut. All kind of probiotics and very, very nice. It feels amazing afterwards. It calms down. We have also some kombucha getting ready here, which is our other source of probiotic. And we have been feeling very good with both of them. Give it a try. I'm sure you will like it.